The 2019-2020 Ram trucks have a new proximity key, and I wanted to show you how to change the battery in it real quick. So the first thing that we do is we press in the retainer button for the valet key. We pull that out, set it aside, and then using our flathead screwdriver, there are two slots, one here and one here, and that will easily allow you, if you pry up on each side, to pop the cover off of this thing. And then once you do that, it just easily comes off, and you can set that aside. Now this is it exposes your battery, Panasonic battery here, but the number to remember is CR2032, and you can set that aside, and this is where obviously the battery goes. What I can tell you is this: if you look down inside here, I'm going to just turn this around for the viewer, it will say plus side up. So when you put your new battery in, you're going to want to just match up that side, the plus sign, when you slide it back in. When you slide the new battery in, like so. And then your cover just very easily snaps on. Just make sure that that you have it orientated correctly, so just snaps right back on very easily. So our key is back together, and then valet key goes back in, and you're all set. I'm Roger with ReKey Xpress Locksmith. Thank you for watching.